Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a pretty solidly big 3x3 review. Starting off with what most people would want, the mini tiny 3x3. Just kidding. Starting off with some good magnetic 3x3s that aren't too expensive. This is the Chi Thunderclap V3M. This cube comes in stickered and stickerless, and I think it also comes in a white plastic. And you can get it for $10 at the Cubicle. The magnet strength is subpar. It's around medium, what you would expect for a $9 magnetic cube. Corner cutting. This goes beyond what I would expect. 45 takes a bit of work, but anything under that, it's pretty easy, since this is a looser cube. The only problem that I've had with pieces is if we take out this piece here, there's this little piece right here that can pop out. I'm not gonna do it right now, but it has popped out before in this cube, and then you just hear it around. So you're just gonna want to take it apart and then put it back together, and you would fix the problem. Of course, you would have to put the piece back into this little slot. But yeah, overall, the stickers are very durable. The cube turns very fast and is a nice add to collection for $10. Second, the well-known RS3M. This is a stickerless or stickered cube. It comes in at 56 millimeters. All the cubes that I'll be doing will be 56 millimeters, except for the mini. But turning is phenomenal after a bit of work. Once you just try it out of the box, it is actually not that amazing. But for $9, this cube gets so much better. With a little bit of lube and setup, this cube just becomes better than most cubes way out of this price range. Turning is a bit sluggish after a while, and it needs a lot of lube. It just collects dust, as you can see right there. It does that a lot. But for $9, this cube, you really can't complain much about this. Magnet strength is, I say, a little less than the Thunderclap, and corner cutting, 45. I didn't go through spring compressions on the other cube because it's just spring, but this cube comes with a stand and then a tensioning tool, so you can turn this to what you like with the tool, and then you can also have that ability to adjust the screws, which I like. Okay, now getting on to the most expensive of the bunch. This is the Monster Go Magnetic Cube. This is $20 at the Cubicle, but the turning is by far the easiest and most satisfying. I'm digging the logo sticker, but one thing I wish they did is made this a glossy. As you can see, this is more frosted texture, but other than that, there's not much to complain about. My one other complaint is that this is the loosest tent setting, other than it busting apart, but I'll show you the tensioning. As you can see, there's no screw. I like screws better, but you can move it with your finger, like that. But I just wish they had more customizability to the looseness of it. It's not that loose. And from that, I like my cubes loose. So, corner cutting is actually surprising for the tightness of it. It can go 45. But other than that, turning is amazing. And this is a great cube that you want to get. Okay, going on to non-magnetic cubes. These are basically the same, except they have a few differences that I want to go through. So let's just start with the stickerless, because stickerless I like better. This is a $5 cube? No, $4 cube. You can get it for $4 at the Cubicle. It comes with nothing else instead of the instructions, and you just get the box and the instructions. Out of the box, this is pretty sandy, but also very fast. The shades need some work with a pinkish red and a lime green. But overall, for $4, this is a pretty good cube. After time, it almost feels like magnets are on it. Like, it's like a bumpy turning almost. I don't like it that much. It's just it gets harder to turn as you do this cube. It just gets sluggish. But overall, this is a really good cube for $4. By the way, this is the Chi Warrior W. Going on to basically the same cube except sticker, this is the Chi Sail. Coming with much better shades. This is better for the price. You can get this for also $4, I think. And the turning is much faster and it doesn't have that bumpy feeling over time. With lube, it becomes actually super smooth. And it maintains that really fast feel. But the only thing I don't like is that it's super clacky, almost like the Rubik's brand, except in a different way. The Rubik's brand is like a hollow sort of clackiness. This is just straight clacky. But, I mean, what do you expect for $4? And lastly, I'm going to do this review on the Mini 3x3. I don't know the exact price on this, but for people with 6cm hands, this is really nice. The turning needs some work, and I don't think it has tensioning. The settings are really loose or tight. But, I mean, what do you expect? Corner cutting. We can go about 2 degrees, so pretty solid. But yeah, Mini 3x3. I hope you guys